Finley. What's Finley from? Well, we're back in Tampa at the Florida State Fairgrounds today for Sharkcon. And this is a convention that claims to be the Comic-Con for sharks, or if Comic-Con and sharks met and hung out, had a sandwich. So this is the 12th one, like I said. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Let's go.
I gotta tell you, I was pretty shocked when I pulled up to the parking lot and there was long lines and the lot was pretty full. But you know, it turned out that there was also a Pokemon convention going on next door. So okay, that made sense. Our tickets are scanned and we're heading into the expo hall. Let's head inside. Man, there's a lot to see and do here. And look who's here. It's Roadie with Rich.
All right, we got Roadie with Rich here. We're hanging out at Sharkcon. How you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How you doing?
Good, good. Tell me a shark story. You got a shark story for me?
Yeah, actually I do. About 20 years ago, I went down to Mexico, and I was driving around a golf cart, and I saw a sign that says, a nurse shark for 100 pesos, a hold one. So I went in there, and I went down the water, and I picked up like a 6-foot nurse shark, and for 100 pesos, I held it in my hands just like this.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
And it was alive?
Yeah, it was alive. Yeah, it was
Yo,
alive.
that's great. I don't know if I could do that.
First stop, the Animal Education Zone.
67-year-old alligator snapping turtle. This guy, he takes money from people.
Check out this tiny owl. And then check out this massive owl. Then things got a little strange. They had a real shark on ice, and they were rotating the sharks. This one goes back on ice, and then this one. These are dead sharks, and they're just letting you touch them. And I didn't like this, but I did it. All these kids are just losing it over this giant inflatable slide.
Really? Big old whale.
All right, let's go check out what's on sale from the vendors.
Got Sam. Boogie Boogie. And a shark.
The 3Dification of cons is just getting bigger, convention to convention that I attend. They had some buckets with sharks on them, and inside they had cotton candy. Pretty cool.
Good, how are you?
If you need a new bag, they had plenty of shark-themed options. Something that's unique to this convention is the comprehensive ocean and shark education that they have. And they have expert speakers, conservation booths, and some booths where you can even sign up to learn hands-on skills, including scuba diving.
Hello.
Hi.
I didn't get in my first cycle either.
All right, next stop, we'll be checking out some shark-themed cars.
Got a couple cars here. This is the Jaws. I believe it's a Kia Stinger. You see inside. Dodge Challenger.
No.
Crazy doors. If you're brave enough, you can ride this mechanical shark. Some people are signing up.
And that's a wrap. You know, this was a fun visit, but honestly, it could be a one and done for me. And that's based on location. You know, if you're a super fan of sharks and you live in Tampa, it's a great way to spend a few hours. But you know, if it were to come to me in Orlando, I'd probably come back. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, it helps the channel. And if you want to hang out more often, hit the subscribe button. Thank you as always for watching, and have a good one.